In this video, I'm going to discuss how to prepare your house to list in today's market. If we're just meeting, my name is Stephanie Paxton with the RoPax Group, and if you're a buyer or seller looking in the mid to upper price range here in San Antonio, then make sure you stay tuned. If you're enjoying my content, be sure to click the little thumbs up button, the click, like button, and let's get rolling. Here are my 5 top tips on how to prepare your home for the market. First of all is to declutter and to depersonalize. This is the time when less is more. We want to make the buyers feel and imagine themselves living in this house and not be distracted by your style of decorating or your personal items. The second tip, you want to make sure your house is clean, clean, clean. Not only do you want the house to be organized and neat, but it's also important to make sure it's clean, and that includes ovens and refrigerators, everything, bathrooms, toilets, all of those things. Buyers are nosy and they're going to be looking everywhere. Also, you want to make sure it smells fresh. If you're using deodorizers, make sure that they're not overbearing. Sometimes they can disguise an odor, so fresh and light are always better. The third tip is make sure your pets have a safe place to be during the showings. If they have to be in the house during showings, make sure they're crated and comfortable, like in a laundry room or a secondary bedroom, or have like a neighbor come take them for a walk during showings. Just don't leave your dogs loose in the backyard. Buyers like to go around outside and look in the backyard, and if there's Fido in the backyard, even if he's friendly, I'm sure most buyers won't go back there, and that could cost you a sale. Consider a spritz of Febreze before each showing, just for those buyers with sensitive noses. In addition, make sure your closets are clean on the bottom. They look bigger by keeping items off the floor. Buyers are always looking for space, and this will give the closet more space when they're viewing. You can go as high as you want by stacking things, but keeping items off the floor gives the illusion of more space. And finally, paint. Neutral paint, of course, is like Botox for your house. It makes the house feel clean and fresh, and it makes it look younger as well. If you can't afford to paint the entire house, make sure you do the common areas and at the very least the baseboards. To recap my top 5 tips, first, it's declutter, depersonalize. Second, make sure the house is clean and organized. Third, make arrangements for your pets. Keep floors in your closets clean and show more space. And then fifth and finally, fresh paint. So see you next week when we discuss what makes a luxury home in San Antonio. Until then, I'm going to leave you with this quote: life has no limitations except the ones you make.